Okay, so let's try another example. Here we have our right angle triangle ABC. Now our AC is 5 centimeters, our AB is X centimeters, and our BC is what? 4 centimeters. Now we are looking for X. We have our hypotenuse, we have the side of the other side of the what? Right angle triangle, but we are left with one side that is unknown, which in this case is X. Okay, so let's solve for the unknown. Now, our unknown is X. So from our Pythagoras theorem, we're going to be having this simple statement, mathematical statement. 5 square is equal to X square plus 4 square. 5 square is equal to X square plus 4 square. Now, at this point, we're supposed to try as much as possible to rearrange the equation. If you rearrange it, you're going to be having x squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. Now, the x squared plus 4 squared is going to be at the left-hand side while you have your 5 squared at the right-hand side. It's better you arrange it that way so that the unknown can be at the left-hand side. It's presentable that way. So now, at this point, it's time for you to isolate the unknown. 4 squared is attached in some way with the unknown with that simple sign of what? Addition. So you have to eliminate it. How do you eliminate it? You have to introduce minus 4 square. But you're not only going to introduce minus 4 square at the left hand side, you introduce that as well at the right hand side. If you do that correctly, you're now going to get what? You will get your x square standing alone at the left hand side. While at the right hand side, we're now having 4 square appearing because it has disappeared at the left from the left hand side, but it must appear at the right hand side. So you're now having 5 square minus 4 square at your right hand side. Okay, so from this point now, you can now go ahead. All right, you can now go ahead to introduce square root sign. If you introduce the square root sign on both sides of the equation, the square root is going to cancel the square at the left hand side, and the square root will still be appearing on the right hand side. Now your x will now be equal to the root of 5 square minus 4 square. 5 square is what? 25. That is 5 times 5. Now 4 square is 16. That is 4 times 4. Now 25 minus 16 is going to give you 9. So you now have your x, which is equal to the root of 9. The root of 9. And what's the root of 9? The root of 9 means you are looking for a number you multiply by itself to get 9. And 3 is the number you multiply by 3 to get 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. Now your x is now equivalent to what? 3, meaning your x is equal to 3. So x is 3 centimeters, which is the final answer. Simple!